right, Caps Ninjas, Sensei Lance here today. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on some defense today. We're going to be working on what we call the parry block. Okay, now the parry block is a super simple block. And when you first see it, you'll probably be like, wow, that's going to really deflect the attack of an attacker? Yes, it can, if used properly. So what we're going to do is just to practice this today, and this can be practiced from our neutral position, and this can also be practiced from our guarding stance. And just to assume that maybe we had time to get into a stance, I'm going to practice it from my guarding stance. Very simply, what I'm going to do is my hands are up. I'm in a defensive posture because I don't know what's going on just yet. I'm being attacked. And what I'm going to do is from here, the attack is coming in, whether it be like a grab or a punch, but what it is, the attack's coming in. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the palm of my hand, very simple, and I am just going to turn my body using the palm of my hand to guide the attack to the side. Okay? Here and here. And of course, I'm moving kind of slow right now so you can see it, but it's here. It's very simple. It's a very relaxed movement. Very relaxed movement. And what you're going to do from here is you're just going to practice from here. Turn your body. Turn your body. Turn your body. Turn your body. Notice, remember, all the power we have comes from our feet, comes from our legs, and our hips pushing off the floor. So I'm here. Push, 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 push. All right, here we are. We've got Coach Alejandro with us today, and he's going to help us practice the parry block. Now, this is a very simple drill, and this is one of the most basic ways to practice this. Of course, I don't want you to start right off the bat with somebody trying to punch you as fast as they can and you're trying to use your parry block to deflect it. We're going to start off simple with this simple drill here. Coach and I, we're going to be facing each other, and what he's going to do is he's going to take his left hand and he is going to just simply try to touch me right here on my chest. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to guide his hand away. Notice I just turn my body. And the great thing about this is I don't have to hit it as hard as I can. All I have to do is deflect that off, okay? And the momentum that was going into my chest will go that way now, okay? And of course, this sets me up for some really good things. I can use a counter punch, or boom, I can make my getaway, okay? So from here, again, now we're gonna use both arms this time. He's gonna start with the left and then the right. Notice I go here, boom, and then the bang, just like that. Now, something that I like to do is I like to use the same arm, the mirror arm. We call it the mirror arm. Basically, the side, the arm that he's using on this side, is coming. I'm going to use this arm right here to guide it across. Okay. If he reaches with the other arm and I go here, boom. That's not the end of the world, but I don't like being right here in the center line to where he could throw another punch or something and take me out while this hand is busy. Okay. I would rather be on the outside rather than right here facing him. Okay. So a couple more times, we're just going to do this from here. He reaches, parry, 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 parry. Now, of course, we are not trying to stand here and duke it out with somebody 2 times, 3 times our size. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add the concept of the dash. Now remember, in past videos, we've practiced our pivoting and making our getaways. Now I'm going to make a recommendation because we always say that wherever the bad guy is, we usually want to go the opposite direction. But when it comes to the parry block, I'm going to make a different recommendation, something you can practice at home. If he reaches out here, boom, and I parry this way, well, his attention is going that way now. And I could very possibly, boom, make my getaway that way. Okay? Or if he reaches with the other hand, boom, and I can make my getaway that way. And by the time I get halfway to the next county, he's going to figure out where to go. Okay, so from here, just a couple more times, he reaches, boom, make my getaway. Boom, make my getaway. Or something else you can practice. We've practiced the cross. We've practiced the jab cross. We could use those punches. Okay, so he reaches, boom, bang, use my punch. Or I could use my palm strike. He reaches, hup, heis, and then make my getaway. Play around with these different strategies, but make sure that you always practice making that getaway, because that is our goal, is to get away. All right? Have fun practicing that at home.